Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, we learn English through vocabulary. Unsavory. This word is adjective. Meaning of this word is disagreeable and unpleasant because morally disreputable. That means aruchikar. Synonyms of this word is unpleasant, obnoxious, disagreeable. Antonyms of this word is reputable, wonderful. We learn through example. Some of his commissions have some pretty unsavory characters with shady pasts. Opprobrium. This word is noun. Meaning of this word is harsh criticism or censure. That means another. Synonyms of this word is vilification, vituperation, condemnation. Antonyms of this word is esteem, pride, respect. Example: I have been heaped with some opprobrium by opponents of the project. Evade. This word is verb. Meaning of this word is escape or avoid something or something, someone or something, especially by guile or trickery. That means bach nikalna. Synonyms of this word is avoid, dodge, elude. Antonym of this word is confront, face. Example: friends helped him to evade capture for a time. Circumscribe. This word is a verb. Meaning of this word restrict something within limits. That means simit karna. Synonyms of this word is delimit, bound, restrain. Antonyms of this word is allow, restrict. Example: the practice is severely circumscribed and tightly regulated. Allege. Allege means allege is a noun. Meaning of this word is a narrow passageway between or behind buildings. That means path. Synonyms of this word is passage, lane, path. Example: there were a few muggings in the back streets and alleys. Culpable. Culpable is an adjective. Meaning of this word is deserving blame. That means doshpurn. Synonyms of this word is blameworthy, at fault, guilty. Antonyms of this word is innocent, blameless, impeccable. Example: it is difficult to apportion blame since both sides seem to be equally culpable. Flagrantly. This word is a verb. Meaning of this word is in a way that is shocking because of being so obvious or showing lack of respect. That means avhelna se khullam khulla. Synonyms of this word is unabashedly, publicly, openly, shamelessly. Antonyms of this word is shamefully, secretly. Example: the offender flagrantly abused his position of trust. Sanctity. This word is a noun. Meaning of this word is ultimate importance and inviolability. That means suddhata. Synonyms of this word is sacrosanctity, inviolability. Example: the sanctity of human life is the closest thing our culture has to a basic value. Exasperation. This word is a noun. Meaning of this word is a feeling of intense irritation or annoyance. That means krodh, jhunjhalahat. Synonyms of this word is annoyance, anger, fury, vexation. Antonyms of this word is delight, pleasure. Example: she rolled her eyes in exasperation. Vilify. This word is a verb. Meaning of this word is speak or write about in an abusively disparaging manner. That means तिरस्कार करना, कलंकित करना. Synonyms of this word is vituperate, calumniate, condemn, slander. Antonyms of this word is praise, compliment, glorify. Example: she has been vilified and misunderstood by her community. Thank you. Please like, comment, share and subscribe this channel.